This is how TherapyDen Referrals works. Once you log into your TherapyDen account, you'll see a referrals page in the navigation bar. The referrals page lists all the open referrals in the state. Clicking on a referral will provide you with more details about what type of therapist would be a good fit for the client. If you feel like you'd be a match and would like to alert the referring therapist of your interest, you'll click the Express Interest button, which will notify the referring therapist that you'd like to be included on the final list of potential therapists. The referring therapist will receive an email every time someone expresses interest in the referral. Once the referring therapist receives enough interested therapists or the listing expires, they'll close the listing and have the option to view all interested therapists and delete any therapist they think wouldn't be a good match. After clicking Send and Close, they'll receive an email from TherapyDen with the full list of therapists that can be forwarded on to the interested client. If you'd like to create a referral, you can click Add New Referral on the referral page. You'll be taken to the listing page where you can enter all the info about what your client is looking for. Once a referral has been created, it'll be displayed for all therapists to view. It couldn't be more simple. In the navigation bar, you can click Account and then Email Settings if you'd like to change your notification preferences. You can also log in at any time to get up-to-date information on all available referral requests.